This is TCL 408, and today I would like to lead you through the procedure of setting up parental controls on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the accounts category and remove any Google accounts you might have. Once there are no Google accounts left, get back to the main settings menu, enter Google category, tap at the parental controls over here, get started, child or teenager, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account or create one. So let me quickly do that off the screen. So once the sign in is finished, select the account over here and log into another Google account, this time parental one. Once you do that, you will be forwarded to the next step, that is about supervision. So scroll the About Supervision page all the way down and input the password to the child's Google account once again. Then hit the Agree button. After that, allow supervision and wait for the child and parental accounts to get linked. Then hit the Next button. At this point, you can disable or enable some of the apps that are already installed on this phone. You will be also to do that later on as well, so no need to stop your attention on it now. If you do not want to, you can just skip this step. The same can be said about filters and settings. Then you can just finalize the setup. After that, you gotta take your parental device or simply phone or tablet you are planning to use to supervise your child, so here is mine, and open the Play Store and download the Family Link app from it. Once the app was installed, you gotta launch it. Make sure to log into it with the parental Google account, and here is the list of all available controls, location, and highlights. So that would cover about everything, at least as far as setting up parental controls on this device goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.